I'm Siobhan McDermott. I work at AVG Technologies, and I advise governments on how to regulate the use of the internet for children. Whenever you're traveling to an unfamiliar city, you want to get some local tips. The internet is also an unfamiliar and scary place, so here are our 4 tips to make sure that parents keep their kids safe online. Tip number 1, Google your child's name so you know what information is out there about them. My second tip is to make sure you're friends with your children on social networks so you're aware of who their friends are and what information they're sharing. Tip number 3, as parents, make sure you're not your own worst enemy. Don't overshare information about your children online. Step number 4, make sure that you don't use the internet or an internet-enabled device as a digital babysitter. Instead, make sure you supervise your children's online activities. In addition to our 4 tips, we'd love to hear yours. Please post them in your comments below or go to the AVG Facebook page and add them.